Carolina's history. And many of the towns in North Carolina were racist sundown towns. Helene wiped out sundown towns in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, and Virginia. Some of the most racist, listen, the most racist states in the United States and Babylon, ladies and gentlemen, the most racist states in Babylon. Glory to Yahweh. Praise his holy name. Black people and other people of color better be out of many of these towns before the sun go down, or else, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, there are still sundown towns in Babylon.